Hi, my name is Sean Good, and I'm an attorney at the Good Law Group. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about questions that you should ask or your attorney should ask during a multifamily real estate transaction where tenants are in place. So generally, real estate purchase contracts for multifamily are pretty thin on what is going to be provided from the seller to the buyer. And during attorney review, it's your attorney's job to ask for certain things that are outside of or not discussed in the contract. So most contracts for multifamily have a 5 or 10 day attorney review period. And during this period, the buyer's doing the inspections and they're requesting repairs, credits, or taking it as is. But in addition to that, they should be looking at the documents that are provided. And that's what I wanted to talk to you about. So one of the important things to consider in a multifamily transaction is the management contracts. Who's already operating the building? Is the seller self-managing it, or is a management company in place? Along with that, who owns the equipment in the building? A lot of cases now, sellers, property owners are third-partying out their laundry, and they don't even own the laundry equipment, which is very expensive, and the contracts actually affect the performance and the value of the building. So you're going to want to obtain any lease agreements for laundry. In addition to that, you're going to want to know how the tenants are paying the rent. Are they paying the seller in cash? Are they zelling the money, which has its own high risk, and I could do a video on itself? Are they paying through a portal, through an app like Buildy or Yardi Matrix, or paying via Zelle? So these are a few questions to ask that are important. Another thing that I always ask for in my attorney review letters in these types of transactions is proof that the tenants are paying. I want to see deposits in the bank, check stubs, some evidence that the seller is actually telling the truth, because you don't want to inherit a bunch of evictions. In addition to that, I typically ask, who owns the appliance in the building? I've seen cases where buyer takes over a building, the tenants move out and they go, nope, the fridge, the microwave, the oven, all these appliances are actually mine. I moved in here with nothing. So you're going to want to clarify that in attorney review. Make sure you get that. And one of the last things I'd want to know is, specifically in Cook County and in Chicago, is how long the tenants have lived in the unit. Because with the RTLO and the LTO, the tenant ordinances, I'll call them combined, you could inherit problems if you're not properly notifying tenants of increases in rent or to vacate within a certain time window based on time they lived in the property. So these are just a few questions you're going to want to focus on, or I focus on typically, rather, in attorney review. I hope you found this video helpful. If you need help with your real estate transactions, please give us a call at 847-577-4476. Thanks for watching this video.